thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I cannot do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no power from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
Mau mana yang nangata? Ito isa po.
Ay, salamat tadi ay. Yun ay ang pag-ibig. Di ba? Kasi ay ito na ako sa bahay. Tingnan niya lagi na ako. Yan, ngerti na ako. Happy birthday, Tita Deb. Marami akong pinagpasalamat sa Diyos dahil naging pagkitiro ng buhay ko. Thank you po dahil isa kayo sa nagpapagpunding sa awal dasal at nagmalasakit sa akin, lalo na ngayon sa kalagayan ko. God bless po. How I wish andyan ako ngayon, pero hindi lang po, bawit tayo ng celebration, makabalik na ako bumod. I love you, Tita Bebs. Ramilo, Juana. Thank you,
No, thank you kayo sa tanan nyo. Ikaw ang the best girl nga do. Love you, do. Thank you. Sana magpakabait kayo.
Hindi ka lang mabait ko. Mas mabait pa.
Mas mabait pa.
Saan ka na mo siya yung happy birthday? Kasi na to si ate yung happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,